Welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And specifically, where are we at today, Alice?
We are at Grand, and we're about to show you the amazing view that we have from this new listing. This is unit number 35, and it is a ground floor with amazing views of the lagoon.
Yeah, just the other day we were out here and there were jet skis flying by and boats. I know that the association has some slips available, and that you can actually get on a waiting list to actually reserve one for yourself. So this is a one bedroom, one bath?
One bedroom, one bath, and kitchen, living room. It's actually a spacious living room and a nice kitchen for a one bedroom unit.
You can see how close we are to having Gulf access here as well. So very attractive price point for someone who is just looking for a nice little getaway vacation home and to park your boat out back.
I know, and those units don't come on the market very often. The ones with the water view like this.
It's very true. I'm going to fly you guys over the pool and the tennis courts that are here as well. We're center screen right about now.
And you also have those grill areas throughout the complex, and there's a grill like right in front of the unit that you can set up your barbecue looking at the water.
So here's a pool and a hot tub, and then also your tennis courts. You're right off of North Lagoon.
It's very quiet and peaceful over here.
I'm going to take you guys back to the back here.
So if you guys are interested in this unit, would like to know more, would like us to give you a private view,
yeah, we'd love to show this property to you guys. And check the cards area if you want to see some more drone tours of different areas of Panama City Beach. And if you guys want to leave a comment below to let us know what other subdivisions you may want a drone flyover of, we would be happy to accommodate.
Where's the big bird?
Oh, I'm bringing it home. So you guys, if you haven't already, click the like button. That would be awesome if you would do that. And then if you want to click the share, we would love that as well. And if you haven't already become a subscriber and clicked on the bell notifications so that you don't miss out on any other new listings of ours, go ahead and smash the subscribe button for us. And as Alice was mentioning, there, right there. And we will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.
Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye for now. Hey!
Hey!